Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my horizontal classic size happy planner that I use for journaling. I am going to be using Daring Florets. These are some new florals that are available in my shop now. You can use the code April in all capital letters with the number 30 at checkout, thepleasantlyplanned.com, and you can save 30% off everything in my shop. So let's see, I kind of want to do something just a tiny bit different. I don't know. I'm trying to get like out of my comfort zone. Got to put on my glasses because, you know, old lady eyes, but I'm trying to do different things in my planner lately. So I think I want to take this washi, and I may have actually used this washi in this planner before, like in this same kind of way, but I'm gonna do it again. So I want to do like little clusters. Actually, I probably shouldn't do this just yet. Let's cancel this. Let's wait until I get some boxes down, and then I'll decide where to put this washi. So let's just cancel that thought for just a minute. Okay, let's do some clusters. So I kind of want to do like a cluster here and a cluster here. Let me turn my Jesus music down a little bit. And I think I want to use this big box, maybe like right here. And then we'll use this one on the other side. I think I want to kind of put this one in the middle. Okay, so let's take a yellow and maybe go right here. I'm not going to stick that down just yet, because even though I'm not whiting out the gray lines, I do want to white out the like the dark blue behind here, just so that when I write in the box, it's not like taken away from what I'm writing. I've got a couple new planners coming from Amazon tomorrow, so I filmed my dashboard layout plan with me for the week, and now I'm planning this one, but then tomorrow I will have 2 new planners to film videos with, so I'm excited about that. Let's see. I think that would be pretty right there. Let's put this one, I'm going to kind of just cut it straight across at the bottom just so it sits on top of the box, but then I'm going to let the rest of the sticker kind of hang over the blue box. Like that. And my son's probably getting ready to start his boat motor. That would be just my luck. We'll see. I just heard the trim. I just heard the motor. He just lowered the motor down. So I don't know. He's still been working on it. And all 3 of my boys are outside with 2 of their buddies. So it might get noisy here in a minute. All right, now what else do I want to do? Let's use, oh, you know what I wanted to do? This is what I was going to do. I took Pray, Trust, Wait, Repeat. So this quote, and I cut it with my ruler and my X-Acto knife, and I cut out each word. And then I took a pencil and kind of marked little dots where I wanted to put each word. So, and now Moo's going to bark at the boys. All right, so we got pray, trust, and then I want to put trust down here. Now Oliver's mad because I just yelled at him because they're standing at my bedroom door waiting on somebody to come in. It's just never a moment of peace here. And then we'll put weight on this line. And then repeat, we're going to put down here. All right. Pray, trust, wait, repeat. Okay, and now let's keep going with our boxes. I need to do something down here. I just don't know what. I don't know, you guys. I think I'm just going to take one of these light blue boxes and maybe put this hat down here with it. Okay, not too bad. I like that. So let's go to this side. I'm gonna need a dark blue box to put up here. Now, I mean, my box colors are across from each other, but I'm not gonna stress over that. It's just, it is what it is. Now let's see. Let's put this here. Yeah, let's take this and put this here. I think I'm going to cut it straight across at the bottom like I did on the other side, but I'm going to let it overlap. And then I really want to use the boots. So we're going to put the boots right over top of that quote, or the piece of the quote, but I think it's okay. I think it'll look all right. So pretty. And then now let's take, I just thought of something. That's okay. Let's do, I'm trying to figure out which decorative element I want to use over here. I think I'm going to use this little small one. If I can find the edge. There we go. And I think we're going to put it like right there. Now I know that I have the same one across from each other. I kind of don't like that, but it's just going to have to be okay. Yeah, it's going to have to be okay. Now let's see what this washi looks like, if I even want to use this washi. I'm going to take a little bit and put down here. I'll take a little bit and put here. Adding washi always just kind of adds a little extra something when you don't quite have enough decorative elements on your spread. In my opinion anyways. Let me know. Do you feel the same way about washi? I think it just kind of fills out the spread, finishes it off, and makes it a little bit more fun. I'm just using my fingernail to cut it. See, it just makes it more fun. I don't know, to use washi. So now let's go down here. Just keep going. And then we'll put a little bit over here. And hopefully this will finish off this spread and it'll be done. Yeah, look how cute that turned out. Just like so simple. So simple, but so cute. Yep, I like it. What do y'all think? Let me know down in the comments. So that is Daring Florets, and I used faith quotes 4. I just used that one big quote and just cut each word separate. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram as well. So I'm trying to hide my journal here from you guys. I love you, but my journal is private. So let's see. This is what it looks like in my planner. I love it. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the next one with my 2 new planners. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.